Oh my gosh.
Wow!
I just reset
Wow,
this world, so
so
don't worry.
cool.
And I made a new characters, and
Huh?
there they are. They
Look,
look pretty
I
cute.
got this. She needs to
I
fix
like
it.
it. I want to change the purple girl's hair.
She fixed this.
Let's see here on that.
Ate, look at
Let's
mine.
see. Let's try them.
So in
Wait. This kind of cute.
what's
What's
this?
this? No.
Let's go.
No. There's
I will
not a
make.
special one. I just want this one too. Like the pink girl.
I will make Miku.
Okay. I think that's good. Look at all
No,
my characters. They look
baby.
pretty cute.
I'll turn around.
No, kasi you click that and there.
And mix.
So,
Now,
you know what I'm going to do? This will be her room. And this will be the purple girl's room. I don't even have her name on yet. And then the bathroom is going to be here. Just pretend there's no stairs here. Yep.
To Miku.
For the lights.
This is blue. This is
I
yellow.
think this will be the purple. Yes, you keep
What?
me.
To them.
I'm making a video.
Ow. Miku
There.
is blue.
They're not even using a shower, but I need a shower. So I need 3 beds for it.
Yeah.
First, let's color. What should I name her? I think. I'm still thinking. Guys, tell me in the comments what name should I make for the purple girl. I really like
No.
purple, and this is my favorite character that I just made. I love purple very much.
I love it. It's Miku. Now I do.
Let's make everything all light. Change the wall to
make
this.
Where is it?
I think we're in the pink girl's room now.
No.
So this will be a line.
No.
So
No.
we're gonna need some items.
No. Yes. I will
What's
make.
this? Wait, we need to buy it?
What's this?
Is this free?
Yes.
I don't know.
What? Sure. Okay. I'm looking.
That's it. I thought this was free. I just wanted So I really need to get it.
What? Pitu. No.
Oh, those are cute. Guys, did you know? Wait, I think there's something. There's some more.
Yes.
This one. Wait, is this free? I want free. Wait. It's free. Okay, it's free. Let's go get it. I'm literally. So let's open. Oh.
Two.
There's the 2.
No. Yellow.
Hurry up! I want to get them all. Guys, check it right now. No way! Baby, here. You click here and you wait. And then you click this. And look, you got free gifts. Oh, you hurry up. You get it. You get it. Wait. So the others need to wait.
Find it.
Wow.
Huh? No.
I need this stuff. There's so many
Wait a second. I have it.
heck. Not that. You need, oh, you need to press this and you click this. This, and this. Like that. You need to click that. Oh no, you click. And then I'm wait. Oh, what is it? What is it? I'm gonna open it.
Wow! I do get mine.
Ooh, not bad. What is this?
Ate,
Oh,
look at
not
mine.
bad. Oh, later you open. No, later. Wow, only one inside the box. Ooh.
I
Let's go
want
back to the
nothing.
games. So guys, this will be for a while to wait. So I'm gonna need to skip. Okay guys, I got it all now and I wanna take something. Because I like this house a little bit. So yeah, but that is a cute house. So I need to get this stuff. Yeah, I got it all there.
Let's go. It's working. We're back on the earth.
Okay, there's not enough space there, so I'm gonna need to. Let's go. What am I going? And I already opened this, so I really like the box. I'm just gonna keep that.
Hindi mo magagalaw. Mababa na to. Kasi pinagtatan niya ng ano.
Purple instead. I love purple. Wait, I didn't mean to go up. Let's go down again. I wanna color the stairs. How about the floor? Can we color the floor? Aw, we can't.
I will put this. I will put this. How about no? No. How about I play? I play. Okay. Okay.
Buyana don't know that. Buyana don't know that. Buyana don't know that. Cookie ne da. Buyana don't know that.
Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie. I will put this. I will put this. I will put this. I'll play this.
Color the card. Yeah. Nice.
I want this. I want this.
Ready, you pick.
Ikaw may hawak nun. Bakit ngayon natin gaganto? Anong sikreto? Anong sikreto? Sabihin mo muna.
Oh, anong sabi ko? Pinatay ko yung wifi ko ah. Oh. Ano gusto mo?
Patulog lang ako.
Wag! This is your last day! This is your last chance!
Inaantok na ako eh.
No! Mali yan! Mali yan!
Tapos bukas ako magpupuyat.
Wag! Mali yan! Bukas ka matulog ng maaga. Opening ka.
Sabi?
Sabi?
Hmm.
You look like mom.
Where's my neck pillow?
Huh?
My neck pillow.
Huh? Ah.
I need my neck pillow. Wala naman sinabi.
She love it.
giant.
What's that? Ate, huwag ka maayos lang.
That's not real.
Susan?
Hey, sorry, I'm not talking.
What is this?
These are like gummies or jelly.
Mommy, jellies?
Yeah, the chairs look like gummies. More like jelly.
It's jelly.
Yeah, it looks like jelly.
I wonder what it is.
I made a lot of them, so I'll just oh put one over here. There. Oh, that was short. I got that right.
Close it all.
These are the kitchen supplies. Wow, this is a lot. How many more of these?
It looks like I blue. And Mr.
I don't know
C.
what it is.
And Mr. C.
Put it over here. Even. Wait, they have different plates. That's why I know something. Sussy bear. What is it? Cups. We have a lot of cups. And another bowl. Like one. What is it? These are nice.
Wala dito.
Nandiyan, nilagapon.
Okay, perfect. Okay, this is all looking good. Just the color. I wanna make it all purple because I love purple. My hands are getting a little tired. Can I color this like no? Oh, this one. Uh-huh. Don't you love me like I want to, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Live tomorrow, but tonight you're crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the apache. Uh-huh. That should be perfect. Plus, you can copy if you want. You can do any color you want. Let's color all the pages. This. Oh wait. Okay, and this. Yeah. So let's see if everything's like perfectly gonna color. Oh man. The color here is gonna have. It's purple. Yep. And.
Here's a million. My son.
Hey babe, I'm really sorry. My mom's pushing me to take over the family business. I have no choice but to give up on you. Take this money and live well.
Heard enough? To my son. Ang dami namang instruction.
So this side is all purpley, and this is for only one people. I mean 3 people, I guess. I haven't seen the bedroom yet. So let's go check the bedroom. So there's literally nothing here. There's no box. It kind of looks like bedroom stuff.
Alin?
Pinapahit-pahit mo ba?
Wala naman.
Ama ba? Hindi mo naman pinapahit.
Roll it, roll
so,
it, roll it.
I'm gonna make a part 2. So,
Ito pa, oh.
I'm gonna
Tatapon ko
make a
dyan sa
part 2
bintana,
see
ta.
on part 2, guys.
Sige, sige,
I'll
sige.
make a part 2.
Tatapon ko sa